Hello student, welcome in e-learning classes. In the series of learning font and its attribute, today we will learn about face attribute. Student, face attribute. So what is face attribute? What is its use? So just look this example. Here I am going to write few sentence. Suppose I have written here apple, another apple, and I'm going to copy it. I have pasted it. So here you can see 4 apple is displaying. If I'm going to ask what is different between writing method, so there are no any difference. Colors are same, size are same, and font is also same. What is font? So student, see this part, Calibri body, it is font. If you are going to change it, I'm going to select this apple and I have clicked here. Font list is displaying and I'm going to select Algerian. Okay, now see this apple and this, there is a little bit different, which is appearance, and appearance comes with help of font. So these are font, but when we are discussing it, these font in HTML, so this font become face. Yes student, again select this apple, select another font name. Now if you try to find difference between this A and this A, you will see yes, some differences is there. So select this one, see in the name Calibri body is there. Select this one, now name is change Algerian. Select this one, here Baskerville old something is there, and this is also in Calibri. Select it and it is in Cambria. So now all 4 apples are of same size 36. Font size is 36, but in different faces. So these faces comes with different font name: Algerian, Baskerville, Cambry, Calibri. So these names are called font face. So this is face, which is attribute of font tag. So suppose we have followed the structure HTML opening and at the last HTML closing. Here head opening, head is not closed, write down slash head. Head is open, head is closed. Under head title tag open, title tag close, then body tag open, body tag close, and under body tag there are 4 BR tag: BR1, BR and BR. All BR tag containing similar kinds of data. Learning HTML with Raja sir. So 4 line will display. And if we are going to save it, so name is font and its attribute. So just this one, this file. So right click, select open with, and select Internet Explorer. So student, you can find learn HTML with Raja sir. These all 4 are appearing in a same pattern. No differences are there. Size are same, colors are same, and face is also same. face means font. Now we are going to make changes. So just open this file in notepad and use font tag. Font tag, write in capital font, and student, a font close should be there, slash font. So this font and this slash font will not make any change. If you will not use any attribute of font, so nothing will change. So now we are going to use face attribute, face equal double quote, double quote. In the double quote you have to write exact font. So from where you will get the font? So suppose you want to write first line in this pattern, to copy this one, this font, click on this and use Ctrl C or right click here and use copy option and just paste it under the, not this one, under your code. So here you have to paste it, yes. So font face equal Calibri body. So this line learn HTML with Raja sir will appear in Calibri body font. Just save it and see the changes what is going to happen. Right click, open with Internet Explorer. Okay, so I'm sure ki nothing is changed because maybe this is the same pattern for all. So I'm going to write different font face for different line so that you will be able to find the differences between them. So just copy this, copy and paste it in beginning of each line. In the beginning of each line we have used font face and slash font at the end of every line. So paste, paste, paste. Okay, now we have to change this Calibri, it is everywhere. So these all line learn HTML with Raja sir, learn HTML with Raja sir, these all will be appearance will be same because we have used same kinds of font everywhere. So now we are going to change. So from word copy different to Algerian, so copy this Algerian and used it in your coding. In second line I am going to paste Algerian. In third line I am going to copy this format and here I am going to paste, and at the last it was Cambria, so just select it, copy it and paste it in your coding. Student, few changes Calibri, Algerian and nothing is changed. So I will request you all take a screenshot and try to find difference between these 4 line code. Here br tag, so br tag is same for, I'm going to make it readable so that you can easily find the differences. Br tag, now you can see and easily you can find the differences. Here a font tag with Cambria heading font face, here font face is Algerian, here font face is Calibri. So everywhere just this double quote value is changed, different faces we have written. Okay, now save it and just open this file, or you can refresh it also, but I will reopen it. Open Internet Explorer. Okay, now you can see different appearance for all. If changes, if you are not able to find the changes, student, sometime it happens कि HTML not support the exact font, so just use that faces which is supportable by your HTML. I hope this video is